In the previous video, we have seen that how to divide a line segment in the given ratio, and this was the first method by which we have divided AB in the ratio 2:3. This was the example. Now in the second method, I will take the same example and divide this AB in the ratio 2:3 by another method. So let us see. Once again, we will draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So here, using your ruler, draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Make sure that whenever you are drawing your line segment, it should not be done on the given line of the pages. Sometimes pencils are very less in impression, very light in impression, so they are hardly visible. It becomes very difficult for the examiner to point the end points of the line segment. Therefore, it is good if you draw this line segment between the two lines, so your line is clearly visible. Okay. Now, this is our line segment AB of 6 centimeter. In this method, from the point A and point B, we will draw two rays parallel to each other in such a way that from point A, we will draw one ray upward, and from point B, we will draw another ray downward, such that both the rays should be exactly parallel. For this, you can select any angle of your choice, and same angle you can use here also and here also, so that both the rays will be exactly parallel as alternate interior angle will be equal. So here, from point A, I am drawing any ray of any angle, let it be AX, M, and from point B, we are drawing another ray such that this ray and the ray we will draw downward should be exactly parallel to each other. Let it be BY. So AX and BY are exactly parallel to each other. I have taken these rays with my imagination, but you will draw both the rays using any angle so that these rays should be exactly parallel to each other. Now for the ratio, as we are given the ratio is equal to 2:3, that means starting from point A towards B, the smaller part is of 2 and the larger part is of 3, as we have done in the previous method. So in this method, we will draw here two arcs on AX and three arcs on BY. In the previous method, total we had drawn 5 arcs, 2 plus 3. But here in this method, we will draw 2 arcs on AX and 3 arcs on BY. This is because starting from point A, the starting point is 2. Towards B, it is 3. So from A, you will draw 2 arcs. From B, you will draw 3 arcs. So for this, you can select any radius, but make sure that all the arcs from A and B also should be drawn with the same radius. So from point A, 1, and this is 2, and from point B, it is 1, 2, and it is 3. Now let us label it. A1, A2, starting from B towards Y, B1, B2, B3. Let us make sure that the labeling of this arc should be done from the points beginning from here only. It should not be like you are starting from here and writing it as A1, A2 or B1, B2, B3. It is wrong. Starting from main points A and B, it is A1, A2, B1, B2 and B3. Now, to get the required ratio of 2:3, it is very simple that you will join A2 and B3. So if you join the 2 points A2 and B3, you will find that A2, B3 intersects AB at the point P here, such that AP is to PB is equal to 2:3. And you can verify it in the same way we verified in the previous method. So here, by using previous method or this method, we can divide the line segment in the given ratio. I hope you will find this method more simpler than the previous one, but both the methods are well explained in CBSE NCERT book, so you can use any of this method to construct this division of the line segment.